Hi, my name is SHAWN Mburuma. I am a Zim-based visual illustrator. I'm an artist, and I've been invited onto this TV Black Stage talk show by my host. Let's go.
How many celebrities have you drawn so far?
So far, I think I've drawn about 12 celebrities, maybe 12, 15. I number one as well, but I think it's 12, yeah.
So, SHAWN, are you satisfied with the customers that you have?
Yes, I think I'm satisfied, and I appreciate the love and support. It's a lot, guys. I appreciate it.
I nicknamed you the Zimbabwean Picasso. Would you want to keep the nickname?
I think I'll keep it, but I don't deserve it. I decided to have my diary yet because I was a god. So I think I'll keep it, but I don't deserve it.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I think I will be in a better place and better stage than Zimbabwe, because in Zimbabwe we barely have sponsorship. We don't have sponsors at all, so I think I'll be in a better place.
For how much would you draw my face?
I'll draw your face for a minimum of $15. I think it's for a minimum of 15 because it depends on the paper size and media type, but it's a minimum of 15.
So if I ask you to draw a bee, Michi, in 60 seconds, can you do it? Are you able to do it?
Definitely. That's simple.
So tell us, where can we get in touch with you for us to place orders and get our faces and our bodies and our relatives drawn by you?
You can catch me up on all social media platforms as SHAWN Mburuma or SHAWN Arts. And I think I've displayed my contact also on Instagram, on my Instagram page. Thank you.